Modern and space physics. Since the primitive days, it was assumed that every matter is the composition of small particles, but there was no experimental evidence at that time regarding to it. In 1803, Dalton asserted or propounded that every matter around us is made of small particles and these are said to be an atom. Dalton also speculated that atom is a basic constituent of all matter and cannot be divided by any physical or chemical means, but later atom was also divided into electron, proton and neutron, and these are called fundamental elementary particles. Elementary particles. Of lately, these are also assumed to made from quark. Some more microparticles also appeared along with the research and development activities of atomic and nuclear physics, which have been kept in the class of elementary particles, and at present there are nearly 30 elementary particles. Rutherford's atomic model. Rutherford suggests that in an atom, uh, uh, in an atom, the entire positive charge and nearly all of its masses are concentrated at the center of the atom in a small volume known as the nucleus of the atom. The electron revolve around the nucleus in the planetary orbits at a large distance compared with the size of the nucleus. The orbital motion was assumed because without it the electrons will fall into the nucleus under the electrostatic attraction. And the atom will collapse. The model was in fact based upon the results of alpha particles scattering experiment. When a beam of alpha particles was passed through a thin gold foil, it is found that most of the alpha particles get struck through the gold foil and produce a flashes on the screen as if there were nothing inside the gold foil. Thus the atom in is hollow. Few alpha particles collided with the atoms of the foil which have scattered or deflected through considerable large angles. Few particles even turned back toward the source itself. The entire positive charge and almost whole mass of the atom is concentrated in a small center called a nucleus. The element could not deflected the path of alpha particles, that is electrons are very light. Electrons revolve around the nucleus in, in circular orbits. Atoms and elementary particles. Radius of atom is 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Radius of the nucleus of an atom is 10 to the power minus 14 meter approx. Mass of the electron is denoted by ME, it 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Mass of the proton MP is 1.0073 AMU atomic mass unit. It means 1.6726 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Mass of neutron Mn is 1.0082866 AMU. The full form of AMU is atomic mass unit. It means 1.6749 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Mass number A is denoted with A, and it is equal to total number of nucleon, it means neutron and proton. Atomic number Z is equal to number of proton plus number of electron. Isotopes. Isotopes of an element are the atom of the elements which have same atomic number but different atomic mass. As the example of the carbon, the atomic number is 6 but atomic mass is 12 and 14. Isobar are the atom of the different element which have the same atomic mass number but different atomic number. Its example is argon and its example is calcium argon and calcium. It means argon atomic number is 18 and calcium atomic number is 20, but atomic mass is same. It means 40. Isotones are nuclei which contain the same number of neutron. Isomers have the same number, same mass number, same atomic number, but different radioactive properties. Rest mass of the nucleus is less than sum of rest masses of constituent nucleon. The difference is called mass defect. Delta M is equal to ZMP plus A minus ZMN whole minus Mn. It means Z atomic number into mass of proton plus atomic plus mass number minus atomic number into mass of neutron whole mass of neutron. Einstein mass energy equivalence E is equal to m naught c square. mc square gives in nuclear physics the mass of fundamental elementary particles is generally expressed in terms of the ununified mass unit, which is denoted with U, defined as the 1/12 1/12 of the mass of the normal carbon atom C612. It means atomic number is 6 and mass number is 12. 1 micro is equal to 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 26 kg. The energy of the particles wave is expressed in terms of the electron volt EV, which is energy acquired by an electron falling through a potential difference of 1 volt. 1 AMU is equal to 931.5 MeV, whereas 1 EV is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. Binding energy of a nucleus is the energy with which nucleons are bound in the nucleus. It is measured by the work required to be done to separate the nucleon an infinite distance apart from the nucleus so that they may not interact with one another. Total BE is equal to ZMP plus A minus ZMN minus Mn whole C square, where Z is number of photon, A minus Z is number of neutron, Mn is equal to mass of nucleus. Nuclear reaction. Nuclear fission by Otto Hahn and F. Strassmann. Nuclear fission is the disintegration of a heavy nucleus. A is greater than 200 upon bombardment by a projectiles such that the heavy nucleus is split up into two or more segments of comparable masses with an enormous release energy. Uranium 13 19 uranium 235 mass and atomic number is 92 is with nuclear N plus N is equal to Ba plus Kr plus N plus 200 millivolt micro million 200 million electron volt generated. The most of the energy released by the mode of the kinetic energy of the fission segment. Uncontrolled chain reaction. It is the principle of the atom bomb destructive. The number of fissions in this case goes to increasing at a tremendous rate, leading to the creation of a huge controlled chain reaction constructive use amount of energy in a very small time. The number of fissions in this case maintained constant. Nuclear reactor has been devised for this purpose. The main part of the nuclear fuels uranium 233, uranium 235 and plutonium 239. Moderator used as a moderator is graphite heavy water, it means D2O, to slow down the neutron. Control rod is cadmium and boron to absorb the excess neutron. Coolant, water, etc. to remove the heat produced in the core of the heat exchanger for production of electricity. The reaction of controlled chain reactor is also called critical reaction. Nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion is the fusion of two or more light nuclei which is grade A is less than 20 to form a heavy nuclei with a release of huge amount of energy. For a nuclear fusion to take place, very high temperature is required to overcome Coulombic repulsive force acting between the nuclei. The nuclear fusion reaction, which is the source of the energy, is sun are proton to proton cycle. It means hydrogen plus hydrogen. It means combination of two hydrogen gives the two hydrogen plus 0.2 million volt electron volt. And further reaction of the two hydrogen with hydrogen, it gives 3 hydrogen and gamma plus 5.5 million volt electron volt. Further reaction 3 helium plus 3 helium, it gives 4 helium plus 1 hydrogen plus 1 hydrogen 2.8 million electron volt, and so on. Stars with mass 0.4 to 2.5 solar mass produce energy by carbon nitrogen cycle. Stars with lower masses produce energy by proton-proton cycle. Radiation hazards. The gamma radiation are highly energetic and cause the pathological and genetic damage. Radius of nucleus R is equal to R naught a power 1 by 3. R naught is equal to 1.1 into 10 to the power minus 15 meter. Nuclear density of all elements is 10 to the power 17 kg per meter cube. Volume of nucleus is 4 by 3 pi r naught a power minus 1 by 3 root cube a to whole cube. Radioactivity. It is the spontaneous disintegration of the heavy nucleus of an atom. It occurs without external provocation. These are three main types of radioactive radiation. Alpha rays, that is helium nuclei, beta rays, that is electron or positron, gamma rays, photons. It is a process by which a unstable nuclei achieves stability, and this process is not affected by chemical combination by changing physical environment other than nuclear bombardment. Photon is a packet of energy emitted from the source of radiation. Photons are carrier particles of electromagnetic interaction. The energy of photon is given as E is equal to hv. It means V is equal to C by lambda. It means mc square, that is E is equal to mc square, where V is frequency, lambda is equal to wavelength, and h is equal to Planck's constant. Photoelectric effect, the phenomenon of the emission of the electron from the surface of the metal when the light of suitable frequency falls on it is called photoelectric effect. Einstein's photoelectric equation. Some part of incident energy equal to work function is used to remove an electron from metal, and remaining is given to electron as its kinetic energy. Hv is equal to W plus Emax is equal to W plus 1 by 2 mv square, where Emax is equal to kinetic energy and kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2 mv square. That means Hv naught plus 1 by 2 mv square max. Further, 1 by 2 mv square max is equal to h into v minus v naught. That means hc is equal to hc into 1 by lambda minus 1 by lambda naught. It means EVS. Equation 1 is called the Einstein photoelectric equation. X-rays are produced by bombarding high speed of electron on a target of high atomic weight and high melting point. Properties of X-ray. X-ray always travel with a velocity of light in a straight line because X-ray are a electromagnetic wave. X-rays are electromagnetic radiation. It shows particle and wave both nature. In reflection, diffraction, interference, a refraction X-ray shows wave nature, while in photoelectric effect it shows particle nature. There is no charge on X-ray, thus these are called deflected by electric and magnetic field. X-ray are invisible. X-ray affect the photographic plate. When X-ray incident on the surface of the substance, it exert force and pressure and transport energy and momentum. De Broglie's hypothesis. De Broglie imagined that as light possesses both wave and particle nature, similarly matter must also possess both nature particles as well as wave. De Broglie wavelength associated with moving particles. The wavelength known as de Broglie's wavelength associated with the particles is lambda is equal to h by p, where that means p is equal to mb. It means h by mb, and mb it means that h by root under 2 me. Lambda is inversely proportional to p and inversely proportional to v and inversely proportional to root e. Crystalline and amorphous solid. All solids are made up of atoms and molecules, but due to the different internal arrangement of the nuclear molecules inside them, they are divided into two classes. Our first one is crystalline and second one is amorphous solid. Properties of crystalline solid. Atoms and molecules are arranged in a definite order. Second one is crystalline solids are bounded by flat surface. Third one is by possess uniform chemical composition. Fourth one is they have sharp melting point. Properties of amorphous solid. Atom and molecules are arranged in irregular manner. These are isotropic, that is they have the same physical property in all directions. These do not have sharp melting point. Crystalline lattice. It is defined as the infinite array of atoms and molecules in space, three dimension, such that every point of atoms or the molecules has got the identical surrounding. A unit cell of the A unit cell is the smallest geometrical unit in three dimensions, the repetition of which will give the entire crystals. The crystalline solid is said to be consist of large number of unit cells, each one in contact with immediate neighbor. For simple cubic structure, eh, the total number of atom per unit cell is 1. For the total number of atom in body centered cubic BCC, crystalline is 2, and the total number of atom for face centered cubic cell is 4. Coordination number. The number of the nearest neighbor of the given atom is crystal is called the coordination number. Coordination number of SCC simple cubic crystal is 6. Coordination number of BCC body centered cubic is 8, and coordination number of FCC face centered cubic is 12. Energy bands. The electron in an isolated atom have well-defined energy level. The collection of very closely spaced energy level is called an energy band. Valence band. It is the range of energy states levels which one completely filled with the electron that is equal to number of electrons allowed by Pauli's exclusion principle. Conduction band. This band is lying above the valence band and it corresponds to energy state in which number of electrons is less than the maximum number of electrons as allowed by Pauli's exclusion principle. Forbidden gap. The minimum energy required by an electron to jump from valence band to conduction band is equal to the magnitude of the energy of the forbidden gap. Conductor. A conductor such as the sodium has a partially filled band. In sodium, the uppermost band 3s is half filled. In this substance, the electrons are free to move by applying an electric field because unoccupied states are available in uppermost band. Half states are empty and unoccupied. Therefore, these electrons can contribute the electrical and thermal conductivity. Insulator. In this substance, that is such as diamond, the uppermost label is completely filled, that is no unoccupied state is available for electron to move. The nearest unoccupied state are in next band called Cb, but this is separated from the filled band called Vb by the energy gap of about 6 electron volt. Hence the electron is in diamond refuse to carry the electric current. Semiconductor. A semiconductor is a solid material whose electrical resistivity is higher than the conductor and lower than that of an insulator. Typical values of the resistivity of a semiconductor lies between 10 to the power minus 12 to 1 ohm meter at room temperature. The electrical resistance of a semiconductor decreases with increase the temperature over a particular temperature range, which is the specific characteristic of a semiconductor. The relation between resistance and absolute temperature T of a semiconductor is given R is equal to A e power b by T, where A, B are constant. A semiconductor has a completely filled valence band, that is, it resembles an insulator at zero temperature. However, the gap between the filled valence band and next band is called Cb is small, about 1 electron volt or less. Hence, electron can easily make transition from one band to another at room temperature, and they carry an electric current. Silicon, germanium, and are semiconductor. These are two types of semiconductor. First one is intrinsic semiconductor. The semiconductor are pure material in which the thermal vibration of a lattice have liberated charges carry, that is electron and hole. In intrinsic semiconductor, the number of electrons are equal to the number of holes. Extrinsic semiconductor. There are impure semiconductor in which minute traces of impurities introduces mobile charges carries, which may be positive holes or negative holes electron in addition or to those liberated by thermal vibration. Again, there Again, there are two types of extrinsic semiconductor, N-type semiconductor and P-type semiconductor, where M-type semiconductor, when we add a pentavalent impurities in intrinsic semiconductor, then we obtain N-type semiconductor. The pentavalent impurity substance are P, A and SB, AS and SB. In N-type semiconductor, the electrons are majority carries and holes are minority carrier. In N-type semiconductor, the electrons are majority carries and holes are minority carries. P-type semiconductor, where we added trivalent impurities in intrinsic semiconductor such as boron, aluminum, or iron, we obtain P-type semiconductor. In P-type semiconductor, the holes are majority carrier and electrons are minority carriers. Principle of p-n junction diode. If we join a piece of N-type to a piece of P-type by appropriate method, then we obtain p-n junction diode. It is clear that P-type are more hole concentration but less concentration of electron than N-type semiconductor. Forward bias. When P of the p-n junction is connected to the positive terminal of the battery and N to the negative terminal, conduction takes place. Reverse bias. When P of the p-n junction is connected to the negative terminal of the battery and N to the positive terminal, there is no conduction. Rectifier junction diode. PN junction can be used to convert the AC current to DC current. The process of the conversion from the AC to DC called rectification. PN junction diode can be used as the half wave or full wave rectifiers. Transistors transistors are three-terminal solid-state device just like triode. It can be assumed to consist of two back-to-back PN junction. In practice, a junction transistor PNP consists of silicon or germanium bar crystals in which a layer of n-type silicon or germanium is sandwiched between two layers of p-n-type silicon and we get p-n-p transistor. Alternatively, it may consist of a layer of p-type between two layers of n-type material and we get n-p-n transistor as shown in figure. Here is emitter P and base is N and collector is P. And in the second figure is emitter is N, base is P and emitter is and collector is N. Transistor as an amplifier. The process of increasing the amplitude of input signal without distorting its wave shape and without changing its frequency is known as amplification. A device which increases the amplitude of the input signal is called amplifier. Transistor as an oscillator. Oscillator is the device which delivers AC output wave from form of desired frequency from DC power even without input signal excitation. A transistor can be used as an oscillator. The frequency of oscillation is given by f is equal to 1 by 2 pi root LC. Factor influencing electromagnetic wave. Propagation of electromagnetic waves. Several factors influencing the influence their propagation. Antenna size lambda by 4. At longer wavelength, higher frequency antenna have large size and located near ground surface of the wave. Wave glides over the Earth's surface and is attenuated due to the loss of energy by absorption by Earth. The maximum range of coverage depends on the transmitted power and frequency less than the few megahertz. A sky wave. Frequency range is few megahertz to 30 to 40 megahertz. Used for long distance communication of the radio wave means ionospheric reflection. Phenomenon similar to total internal reflection. There are various layers of the ionosphere and their degree is ionization and densities are different. Space waves are used for line of sight communication as well as satellite communication. Frequency is greater than 40 MHz. Communication is by a space wave. Antenna are smaller, placed at height. Direct wave to get blocked due to the curvature of the earth. So receiving antenna must be placed high enough to intercept line of the sight wave. dt is equal to root under r 2r h by ht, where ht is height of the transmitting antenna, r is the radius of the earth which is 6400 km, dt is distance of the horizon, hr is equal to height of the receiving antenna, dm is equal to maximum line of the sight distance. Then satellite communication. A communication satellite receives the signal from the earth from an earth station, amplifies and returns it back to earth at a different frequency to avoid interference. Remote sensing. It is a technique used to collect information about the distant object, area or phenomenon without going in direct contact with it. It is done through satellites. Its orbit is called sun synchronous orbit. Usage of remote sensing is for groundwater survey, to measure surface temperature, to prepare wasteland map. Thank you.